How to delete hidden apps on iPhone. The very first option is using the apps library. On your iPhone, go to Apps Library. There you will find all the installed apps on your phone, including hidden apps. Find the app icon which you want to delete. Tap and hold on it. Then select Delete App. After that, click on Delete to confirm. Another option is Spotlight Search. On your home screen, simply swipe down to open the Spotlight Search. Search for the app you want to delete. Tap and hold the icon. Then, delete it. Best way is using Settings. Open Settings app on your phone. Tap on General. In this, select iPhone Storage. There you can see all the installed apps on your phone. Now, go to the app you want to delete. Tap on it. Then, click on Delete App. Again, tap on Delete App to confirm it. And there you have it.